speaking English? I know you obviously won't. No matter, I'm here today to help you out with this. Come on, let's start. अगर आपको किसी को कोई चीज़ समझानी होती है, what you usually say in English? आप बोलते हैं, let me explain. Like for example, if a student is explaining something to her teacher, then what she will say? She will say, let me explain. So you can sound smarter by saying, let me elaborate. Let me elaborate. Next comes, if you want to say something simply and clearly, जब आप साफ साफ कुछ शब्दों में कहना चाहते हैं, what you usually say? You say basically. Like for example, if you want to tell someone that she is not going with us, so you will say, to put it simply, she is not going with us. जब आप साफ सीधे शब्दों में कोई बात एक्सप्लेन कुछ कह रहे हैं, you are not explaining anything, you will say, to put it simply, she is not going with us. Next comes as soon as possible. As soon as possible हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें कोई चीज़ बहुत ही जल्दी, मतलब जितनी जल्दी हो सके हमें वो चीज़ चाहिए होती है. So if a boss is saying to an employee that I want this report as soon as possible, what he can actually say is, this matter needs imperative attention. This matter needs imperative attention. Next comes no. हम अक्सर अपनी लैंग्वेज में नो बहुत बार यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज़ को लेकर लीस्ट इंटरेस्टेड हों या हमें कोई चीज़ नहीं चाहिए होती है. हम क्या बोलते हैं यूजुअली? वी से नो. But don't you think it's very boring to say no every time? I feel so. So what we can say and sound smarter in English, we can say that this is not a priority for me right now, or this is not a priority for me at this time. For example, if a friend is asking you for some movie or maybe for skydiving, you can say this is not a priority for me right now, maybe next week or maybe next month. Like this, you can simply say no in a smarter way. Next comes when you are saying for an exact opposite of something. जब आप किसी के opposite में कोई बात कह रहे होते हैं, what you can say? On the contrary. On the contrary. For example, if someone is saying that social media is making us less social, but you want to say it opposite. जब आपको उसके opposite में वो बात कहनी है, तो you will say on the contrary. On the contrary. Next comes जब आपको किसी से पूछना होता है कि आपके इसके बारे में क्या विचार हैं. What are your views on this topic? How you can sound smarter while saying this? You can say, what's your insights on this? What's your insights on this? Next comes जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोच विचार करके एक सेंटेंस बोलते हैं ना, all the things have been thought of, सारी चीज़ों को दिमाग में रख कर ही, तो हम इसको कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में so that we can sound smart? You can say all things considered. All things considered. Like for example, if a teacher has planned something, so she has thought of each and every consequence and each and everything. So what she will say? All things considered, and then we have planned this trip. All things considered, and then only we have planned this trip. I hope you will use these sentences and actually sound smarter while speaking English. Stay tuned for more such videos.